Welcome to D6 Learning. We are a dynamic international school, mostly online but sometimes also offline, dedicated to coding, game dev and design, web, IT, and art. We offer carefully designed live courses for all levels, from beginner to professional, on such subjects as systemic game design, designing worlds for video games, game urbanism, producing for video games, educational game design, narrative design, and more. You can also dive into subjects like tabletop RPG design and dungeon mastery. Our art classes explore everything from pixel art to working with Blender, while our technical courses cover computational thinking, cybersecurity, coding with Python, and web development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Every one of our courses has been co-developed by experienced professionals and our team of veteran educators, many holding PhDs and master's degrees, who have also taught at universities and colleges worldwide. At D6 Learning, you'll learn from experts, refine your skills, and explore new knowledge through engaging lectures and while receiving personalized, continuous feedback. Oh, and since we really are an international school, we're expanding our course offerings in multiple languages, not just English. So join us, become part of our community, and enjoy a unique learning experience.